In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy independent databases in Notion. Whether you're organizing your work life or managing personal projects, duplicating databases in Notion can greatly streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll walk through a simple yet powerful process that allows you to create a completely independent copy of a database, meaning any changes made in the new version won't affect the original. Let's get started. First, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to copy. Once you're on that page, you want to look for the 6-dot icon to the left of the database block. It'll be right there, allowing you to easily identify the database you intend to duplicate. Hover over that icon, then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy the database. If you're using a Mac, this would be CMD and C instead. It's similar to how you would copy text or files, making it quite straightforward. Next, you'll need to decide where to paste this copy. Go to the page where you'd like to paste the copy. This can be a new page that you've created specifically for this purpose, or an existing one, depending on your needs and how you wish to organize your content. Once you're on the target page, click into it, ensuring your cursor is in a blank text area. Then, press Ctrl and V, or CMD and V on a Mac, to paste your database. Once you've done that, you might see a notification from Notion. Don't worry, that's totally normal. Just click Dismiss to clear it away. This simple action keeps your workspace clean and clutter-free, letting you focus on the task at hand. Now your database copy is in place, but here's the best part. This new database is completely independent of the original. Any changes you decide to make in this copy will not affect the original database. To confirm, you can simply go back to the original page and check the database there. You'll see that nothing has changed. This independence gives you the flexibility to duplicate, customize, and use your databases however you like, without risking your original data. Copying independent databases in Notion isn't just a handy feature. It's a smart way to improve your productivity, customize your workflows, and avoid starting from scratch every single time. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to copy independent databases in Notion. Use this feature to enhance your project management, your personal organization, or any other way you choose to work in Notion. Here's to a more productive and efficient workspace, built exactly the way you like it.